How to buy Sagrada Familia tickets online in 5 minutes properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Buying tickets to the Sagrada Familia online sounds easy, but most visitors make beginner mistakes that cost them time, money, or even access. Here's how to do it properly in just 5 minutes. The first mistake is using the wrong website. Most people get this wrong by searching on third-party sites with inflated prices or limited availability. The official Sagrada Familia website is the only place guaranteed to give you real-time availability and accurate pricing. Using unofficial sites can cost you hundreds in unnecessary fees. Second mistake, waiting until the last minute. You won't believe how quickly tickets sell out, especially for guided tours or the towers. Booking early not only secures your preferred time, but can also save you from long lines and sold-out slots. Third mistake, ignoring ticket types. The surprising truth is that Sagrada Familia offer several ticket options: basic entry, guided tours, audio guides, and tower access. Beginners often choose the cheapest option, not realizing that certain experiences, like climbing the towers, require specific tickets purchased in advance. Fourth mistake, skipping the account creation step. Creating an account before checkout saves you valuable time. Many people start booking and then struggle to remember details or face slow form filling, which can make you miss your preferred time slot. Finally, not checking cancellation or refund policies is common. Some tickets are non-refundable, and others allow date changes for a small fee. Knowing this in advance helps you avoid surprises if your plans shift. Using the official website, booking early, choosing the right ticket type, creating an account, and understanding refund rules will ensure you get into Sagrada Familia smoothly and efficiently. Avoid these beginner mistakes and enjoy one of Barcelona's most iconic landmarks without stress.